Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on lines. So far we have seen many examples of flat shapes in our studies. Some of the shapes we have seen are as follows: the square, the triangle, the circle, and the oval. It is easy to notice that these shapes and many others are formed by using different types of lines. So we have many different types of lines. We have straight lines. You can see them there. They can be either vertical or horizontal, or they can be at an angle. And we have curved lines of different shapes. These are just three examples of curved lines, and therefore examples of straight lines. Lines can be described by using different words depending on the shape of the line. So here I've got 12 descriptions, and there are many others. So we can have straight, long, short, wavy, curved, dotted, broken, curly, vertical, horizontal, spiral, jagged, and so on. Closed lines. So here's an example of a shape which is closed, because the lines all meet, and if you're inside the shape, basically it's a closed shape. You can't get out. It's almost like you're trapped inside. And it's the same with this triangle here. If you're inside the triangle, say there, it's closed off from all sides. Same with the circle, same with the heart, and same with this lightning bolt. So those 5 examples, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those shapes have been formed, and the lines form closed lines. Open lines, here are 4 examples here, and it's pretty obvious why they're open. Okay, because it doesn't matter where you are in the shape, you can get out. So you're not trapped inside the shape. So that's why they're called open lines. How could each of the following lines be described? Choose an answer from the following list. Answers will appear on the next slide on the red lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 types of lines, and I will write the answer for you on these red lines on the next slide. So just pause this video for a little while, and you write those 6 answers on a sheet of paper, and very shortly I'll go to the next slide and that'll have the answers on it. So I'll proceed to the next slide now. Remember, you can pause this video for as long as you want, especially that particular slide there. Here we go. And here are the answers. So that's a vertical line, horizontal, wavy, dotted, jagged, and curved. So basically this very short video has just introduced different types of lines, whether they be open or closed, and we've seen how to name different types of lines.